Welcome to the video. Today we are going to discuss about inline views. Inline views are the subqueries which are being used as tables. So we know that in a SQL query we have the data source where we normally use in the select statement tables as our data sources. But instead of tables, we can also use subqueries as our data sources. So for this, we have to write the subquery after the from clause. So this type of queries are called as inline views. We can do a couple of things with inline views, like we can join a table with another inline view. So this will be called as an inline view join. We can use more than one inline view in a select statement. We can use inline view instead of having clause as well. So let's go through some examples. So here is a first example where we need to fetch the top three highest salaries of employees. So if you see, if we get the salaries of the employees in descending order, these are the salaries, highest salaries. So here 3000 is repeated twice because two employees are having that salary. Now this is how we can write it using an inline view. So here instead of using a table here, right, we have used after the from clause an inline view where it mentions where this particular part this will get the salaries of the employees sorted in descending order. And once we have this right, the outer query will retrieve the first four rows of from the inline view. So here you can see the four rows being fetched here. This is how an inline view works. We can use inline view instead of having clause as well. So there is an example. Now before going to the example, let's see. We have just tried to get the maximum salaries of the department, right? So for department 30 we have this maximum salary 2850, and similarly for the other two departments as well. So we are going to write in having clause, like wherever the maximum salary of for a particular department, right, is greater than 2900, we need to fetch those department numbers. So this is the query using an having clause. Here we can see two departments are fetched because the department 30 has 2850 the maximum salary here, so which is actually less than 2900, so it's not being fetched here. So this same query we can write using inline view as well. This is how we have written it. So select star from. So instead of the table now, we are trying to get department number and maximum salary and group it. And this whole part is considered as an inline view. We have named it as table T. Now on this line view, we have the where condition where the maximum salary, if it is greater than 2900, then fetch those rows. So this is how we are getting the same result here as well. Next, we have an example like we can join an inline view with a table. So it's not only like we have using them in the from clauses, we can use joins as well. So here's an example where we have joined two tables using an inner join. So you can see based on the department number and where the department name is sales. So all eligible rows are being fetched here. We have 6 rows written here. Similarly, so instead of this inner join operation, we can join the table with an inline view as well. So here how we have written it, we select star from employee. Instead of the inner join syntax, we have used our inline view here, which is marked here, right? So select star from department where condition we have provided here. This whole part we are treating as the inline view, and then we have the outer where condition where the department number of this table and the department number of the inline view are equal. So you can see we are getting the same result here. So this is all about the inline views. Thanks for watching.